Have you ever looked at someone and thought, no way, they're only 45? Well, you're not alone. Some people seem to age faster than others, and it's not always because of genetics. Now, you might think wrinkles are just a natural part of getting older, but here's the fact. Many of us are speeding up the aging process without even realizing it. Surprised? So were we when we dug into the research. Get this, even though you take care of your skin when you go outside in the sun, you're still not completely safe because indoor sunlight is also dangerous. A study from the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that indoor UV exposure can account for up to 50% of our total UV exposure. That means your office fluorescent lights and even your computer screen could be adding years to your face. But it's not just about light exposure. Remember how your mom always told you to stop making faces or it'd freeze that way? Turns out she wasn't entirely wrong. Repetitive facial expressions, like furrowing your brow when you're concentrating, can lead to permanent wrinkles over time. It's all about muscle memory. The more you make a certain expression, the more likely it is to leave its mark. Now, before you start panicking and trying to keep your face perfectly still, take a deep breath because there's good news coming. But first, let's talk about another surprising wrinkle maker, your pillow. Yes, you read that right. The way you sleep can actually contribute to wrinkles. Side and stomach sleepers often push their faces into the pillow, creating creases that can become permanent over time. So, what's the first step to get rid of wrinkles? Awareness. Small changes, like adjusting your screen angle while sitting, practicing good posture, or sleeping on your back, can make a big difference. And what's even better, not only can you stop future damage, but you might even reverse wrinkles you already have. Curious how? Stick around, because we're about to give you some simple, natural techniques that can reverse wrinkles on your face, starting with ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Think you need a fortune to fight wrinkles? Better think again. Your kitchen might just be the most powerful anti-aging clinic you've never used. Instead of spending hundreds of dollars on fancy creams that promise miracles, let's talk about remedies that cost pennies and actually work way better. We'll go through each ingredient and then show how to use them together to get rid of wrinkles. But first, let's start with hydration. Dry skin can make your wrinkles even worse, and most of those expensive creams you see at the store, they're loaded with water-binding ingredients, but so is honey. This golden nectar isn't just a natural moisturizer, it's a humectant. That means it draws water into your skin, plumping up fine lines and giving your face a smoother appearance. Then there's coconut oil. This tropical treasure is packed with fatty acids that not only hydrate your skin, but also strengthen your skin barrier, locking in moisture for longer. A 2019 study in the Journal of Cosmetic Science found that coconut oil not only boosts hydration, but also stimulates collagen production, the protein responsible for keeping your skin firm and youthful. And egg whites? They're not just for breakfast anymore. When applied to your face, they create a thin film that temporarily smooths out wrinkles. It's like a quick facelift with no needles required. Now, let's talk about something we mentioned dozens of times in our videos, because it's so powerful that it's almost like a holy grail for health, and that is a tea, but specifically green tea. It's loaded with antioxidants called catechins that protect your skin from sun damage and improve elasticity. One study even found that applying green tea extract directly to your skin can drastically reduce signs of aging caused by sun exposure. And last, but not least, bananas. This yellow fruit is packed with vitamins A, B, and E that preserve and repair damaged skin. A banana mask hydrates your skin deeply and softens fine lines, leaving you with a youthful look. Plus, it feels luxurious without the spa price tag. So, as we promised, it's time to show you how to combine these remedies to create an amazing face mask that will prevent or even remove wrinkles on your face. Now, to make a face mask, you'll need the following: 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon of cooled green tea. After you have everything prepared, you'll get a bowl and start by putting the banana in and mashing it until it's smooth and creamy. Then, add honey, coconut oil, egg white, and cooled green tea to the bowl, and stir everything together until you get a smooth, consistent mixture. And how do we use this? First, before putting anything on, you should clean your face to remove any dirt or makeup. Then, take the mixture from the bowl, and with clean fingers or a brush, gently apply it to your face while avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. After that, take a clean towel and softly pat your skin until it's dry and admire how soft and refreshed your skin feels. Try it once or twice a week, and you'll start noticing the difference in no time. Bonus tip: Save your used green tea bags, cool them in the fridge and place them over your eyes for 10 minutes. They'll help reduce puffiness and brighten the delicate skin around your eyes. We've learned about natural remedies, but what if your body already has a weapon against wrinkles? It's not a cream, mask, or serum. It's something your body produces naturally. The bad news? As you age, it starts to disappear. So what is it, and can you bring it back? The answer is collagen, your skin's best friend. This protein is like the scaffolding that keeps your skin firm, smooth, and wrinkle-free. It's the most abundant protein in your body, making up about 75% of your skin. Pretty impressive, right? Now here's where things get tricky. As we get older, our bodies produce less collagen. In fact, after age 20, we make about 1% less collagen in our skin each year. That might not sound like much, but it adds up fast. By the time you hit 50, you've lost a significant amount of collagen. This loss leads to thinner, less elastic skin, which means, hello, wrinkles and loose skin. And before you start feeling down about this natural process, we've got some good news. You can actually boost your body's collagen production. How? Let's start with what you eat. Foods rich in vitamin C, like oranges and bell peppers, can help your body make more collagen. Bone broth is another great option, packed with collagen-boosting amino acids. But it's not just about what you put in your body. Topical vitamin C can work wonders too. A study found that applying a vitamin C gel significantly reduced signs of sun damage and increased collagen production. Besides foods and supplements, what do you think can also increase collagen? Exercise. When you work out, you increase blood flow to your skin, delivering more nutrients and oxygen. This boost in circulation can help stimulate collagen production, which means that post-workout glow. It's not just temporary, you're actually building stronger, more youthful skin. Do you know that the next thing we'll show you can reverse wrinkles on your face just by using your hands, and all you need is 1 minute of your day? Then, what is this next thing? Well, here it is, facial massage. It might sound too simple to be true, but hear us out. A study found that regular facial massage can enhance collagen production by increasing blood circulation to the skin. It's like a mini workout for your face. Here's a unique massage technique to try. Use your fingertips to make small, upward circular motions on your forehead. Start at your eyebrows and work your way up to your hairline. Do this for about a minute each day. Not only does this stimulate collagen production, but it can also temporarily plump up wrinkles and improve skin elasticity. Let's make a quick pause, because we want to ask you a question. How do you like this video so far? If the answer is yes or even no, please let us know in the comments, and also like and subscribe, because your feedback means a lot to us, and this way we can keep improving our videos. Now, let's get back to the next step you can take to get rid of wrinkles. It's something you would probably ignore, but imagine this. You're disciplined about following a healthy lifestyle, exercising regularly, and even using skincare products. And what if all that effort is being undermined by a single nutrient deficiency? There's a vitamin so vital for skin health. Its deficiency could make you look up to a decade older than you really are. Scary, right? And chances are, you've never even heard of it. Even if you think you're eating a balanced diet, you still might not be getting this important vitamin. Research shows that this particular vitamin is crucial for producing proteins that keep your skin elastic and hydrated. Without enough of it, your skin starts to lose its bounce and youthful glow. It's like deflating a balloon. Slowly but surely, those wrinkles start to appear. But which vitamin are we talking about exactly? Well, it's not one of the usual vitamins you would think, like vitamin D, although that's important too. It's not B12 or any of the other commonly discussed vitamins. Now, this is a vitamin that's often overlooked, even by doctors. So, without further ado, let's talk about vitamin K2. Surprised? You're not alone. Most people have never even heard of K2, let alone know how important it is for skin health. Here's why vitamin K2 is so important. It works together with vitamin D and calcium to enhance collagen synthesis and reduce the breakdown of skin proteins. In simpler terms, it helps your skin stay firm and wrinkle-free. Experts recommend a daily intake of 90 to 120 micrograms of vitamin K2 for optimal skin health. But if you are not a fan of supplements, you can still get it from foods. Some great food sources include fermented foods like natto, hard cheeses, and egg yolks. Now, you know almost everything about getting rid of wrinkles. Would you be surprised that there is something so simple yet stupid at first look? Because without it, all the things mentioned here wouldn't work efficiently. You've heard that oxygen is essential for life, but did you know it's also crucial for youthful-looking skin? There is a process called cellular oxygenation. Its role is to deliver oxygen to your skin cells. You might be thinking, I already breathe all day. How can that help my skin? Well, it's not just about breathing, it's about how you breathe. Proper breathing can actually impact your skin health in a big way. When you breathe deeply and efficiently, you're flooding your body, including your skin, with oxygen. There's a special breathing technique that allows oxygen to get into your skin cells. But before we reveal it, let's hear more about why this technique works so well. It helps your skin cells function better, promotes healing, and even fights off harmful bacteria that can cause breakouts. Now, do you remember when we talked about collagen, magical protein that keeps your skin plump and wrinkle-free? Well, oxygen plays a main role in collagen production. Without enough oxygen, your skin struggles to make the collagen it needs to stay firm and elastic. So by simply improving your breathing, you're giving your skin the tools it needs to stay youthful. So what's this simple yet powerful breathing technique we've been hinting at? It's called diaphragmatic breathing, or belly breathing. Instead of taking shallow breaths that only fill the top of your lungs, you breathe deeply into your belly, allowing your diaphragm to fully expand. This type of breathing maximizes the amount of oxygen you take in with each breath. Here's how to do it. Sit comfortably or lie down. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. Take a slow, deep breath through your nose, feeling your belly rise while your chest stays relatively still. Exhale slowly through your mouth, feeling your belly fall. Do this for just a few minutes each day, and you'll be amazed at the difference it can make.